guys, it's Courtney T here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we're moving. Today is moving day. It's not sunny out here. It's kind of cloudy, but today is moving day. I'm about to go pick up my keys. It's 8:38 in the morning. Key pickup time is 9 o'clock. I'm only moving around the corner, so yeah. Right now I'm about to clean out my trunk. I'm gonna go pick up my keys, go view the apartment. I'm blindly viewing the apartment, y'all. I got all this stuff in my trunk that I gotta take out. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up my keys, view the apartment, let the foggers off, go grocery shopping, come back. I'm gonna vlog all that. So yeah. How do you feel, Court?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
Because I don't know how the apartment gonna look, so.
These are the 2 key cards here. Your choice. These keys here are the keys to all of your exit doors in your building, okay?
Yep.
These are your apartment door keys, and these are the 2 keys to your mailbox.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And maybe enjoy y'all weekend too. And y'all
Happy Juneteenth.
Absolutely. Rock it.
You're official now. I got mail, T. Oh my god. Dang. Okay, it's not for me though.
It's for the last person.
Oh my god, yeah. They be buying fireworks. What am I supposed to do about that though? It's like so many names, so many different names. They don't check their mail. Girl, Toretta. Her Xfinity bill.
Maybe take it back to the office when we go.
Okay. Toretta. State Farm. Okay, this is all her mail. And then there's some other guy on here. Ahmad. Okay. None of that's with me, so leave it alone. Oh. I'm supposed to know where to go. Here we go. I'm scared. All right, this is about to actually piss me off. We gonna try this again. What? Oh my god. Oh, this one works much better. This is so much different. Me either. This is so much different than what I thought it would be. Hold on, they got a little island. Okay, this white is cool though. Hold on, this is sticking out. Gotta fix that. Wait, T, this not bad. I didn't know it had this. Yeah. Wait, but this living room is much smaller, so my couch might be too big. I can get bar stools for real. Now, I don't mind this white. This still look nice. Oh, they gave me ice shades. Wait, do I got electric? Okay. Hey. Perfect, T. The window on the side. So, oh my gosh. It did, even though it got white, but it's alright. Period. We got 3 closets. Yes, we. This is what I wanted. I'm happy now. I'm excited. This is 4 closets. See, I'm gonna have more than enough space. Oh, period. Oh, I'm excited.
You were concerned. Now look.
I was. Bathroom a little small. This looks a mess, actually. I don't like it. Now since I have this, I don't need the bathrooms over the toilet bathroom thing that Shanice got me.
Oh.
So I'm gonna have her return it. It's not even gonna fit. This is such a dumb spot to put the toilet paper
I
over.
hate that, literally.
Like it could have been right
turn
there.
all the way around. It needs to be on this side.
Yeah. It's small. What is this?
Fan.
But why I got 2 switches? Y'all, okay. I need to cut this off so I can really, you know what I'm saying. Open, okay, so let's start by opening all the cabinets, y'all. We gotta open everything. This, what was that? Closet doors. Last one, we gotta get out of here. It's hot here. Don't turn the air on yet, right?
No.
Alright. Well, we out. Turn the music up because we're not trying to get copyrighted. We're trying to make some money off of this YouTube shit now. So we're leaving the U-Haul place. My dad just took the truck. This is terrible. My dad took the truck back home so he could start. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I think I did the wrong thing. Where are we at? We at Salmon Sam. What do I need from here? I do need this actually. Okay. I need steak strips. Ground turkey or ground beef? How much is this? Should I get this big thing for $20? That's how many pounds is this? 3 pounds for $20? I don't know. Do I want it that big? Yeah. Might as well do that one. Chicken wings and chicken breast. That's what we're looking for. That's pork. I gotta get back. This is too big. Like lobsters. They got the good chicken breaks. The what? The good chicken tenders. But this is not the good one. What is this? And this is too many fries. I would get that, but that's too big. 5 pound is crazy. While we're down there. Alright, what seasonings do we need? Roasted garlic seasoning. See, my problem is I don't really be knowing what to say when I'm talking to the camera. Like, I don't. That's why I talk to the person behind the camera. He's supposed to interact with me. Garlic salt. I just seen it. This looks disgusting. Oh. Yep. I'm looking for s'mores cereal. Malt.
S'mores.
Yes, girl, I love it. It's in a bag like this. It's the off-brand one. I'm gonna be so mad. I don't see it. I have that. No.
S'mores right here.
Tea.
It's the last one.
Okay, y'all. So I don't know when the last time I updated y'all, but we did U-Haul. We picked up the U-Haul. After the U-Haul, we went shopping. Did I give you a tour? I think we did when we first walked in. But I'm in the bedroom right now. You got my TV stand and my TV on this wall. I'm gonna get copyrighted so bad. This is about to be a voiceover because what the heck. But everything is pretty much out of the U-Haul. They just gotta get my bed frame out and my dresser, and then I think everything else is moved in. I'm about to go show y'all what everything looks like. This might be too big. Probably gonna have to put it like on this side or something because it's too big. That's a lot, y'all, for real. I don't know why I thought I was gonna get most of this done in a day. Excuse the echo, but and the bath pump. I think I'm gonna change the shower head. Definitely gonna change the shower head. But I'm tired already. I at least want to get my bed frame put up so I can make my bed and sleep here tonight. And probably start on the peel and stick wallpaper tonight. Tomorrow, finish unpacking all the boxes. So I don't know where I'm gonna end this vlog off at, but that's where we're at right now. Unpacking some boxes. They built the couch. My best friend built in the dining tables. And yeah, long ass day. Long ass day. Hi vlog. I'm not sure where I left off last. I think it was trying to get the TV up. It's up now. The TV stand isn't staying like that, but apparently you need a stud finder in order to mount the TV. So I have to get one of those. So it's gonna be sitting on the ground for now. With the TV on top of it. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's all put up, mounted on the wall, the TV and the stand. My cousins and my friends are literally the best. They set up everything. I did not lift a finger today. No cap. Like they did everything. But the bed frame's all set up. I think I'm about to call it a night. I'm gonna show y'all what they got done today, because as I said, I ain't lift a finger. But I'm gonna show y'all what they did. And then that's gonna be the end of part 1 of a move-in vlog, because I'm tired. My legs hurt. Body hurt. I'm probably still gonna do like stuff in the kitchen just because of like adrenaline and stuff. Like I am wanting to get stuff done, but I need to relax. But let me show y'all. My lamp broke, so I had to get a lamp. I also bought sconces to go along the wall on top of the nightstands, but that will get mounted when I get a stud finder again. Or no, I'm gonna do self-adhesive ones. So yeah, maybe I'll do that tonight. Maybe I'll do it tonight. Maybe not. We're working with the lamp for now, but my parents did the TV stand, the fireplace TV stand. My best friend did the storage bench. My friends and cousin did the bed frame. Friends did the nightstand and the rug. And yeah. I still got all that stuff to put away. I still gotta go through my clothes. That's something else I'm probably gonna do tonight, just to clear the space out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because I'm truly not putting nothing else together, but I feel like I want to put my clothes away. But I don't know. Keep going. I just finished setting up the bathroom, but I didn't record it. I recorded it for TikTok, so make sure y'all follow my TikTok. I put the bath mats down and the shower curtains up. That being so loud is probably gonna irk me. Not gonna lie, but yeah, I'm going for beige and green in the bathroom. That's gonna make me mad. Bathroom, closet. They got the couch all set up. Got the rug. That's tea back there. That's about it for the living room. What we got in the kitchen? Where's the light switch? Yeah. Got some stuff done in the kitchen. I still have to go through this stuff and organize it and put it where it's supposed to go. But this is what we have so far. All these appliances. I don't want everything sitting on the counter, so yeah. This is where we at for now. Nothing's in here. Snacks on this side extra. We got that. I need to put the thing in for the dishwasher, but yeah. Oh, I gotta remember these are not soft clothes and stop slamming them. That's all I did in the fridge so far was the beverage things. But yeah. Oh, Chantel set up the dining table and the chairs. Got the mirror. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. And then the TV for the living room. But yeah. That is all that they got done today. So like I said, the last thing I'm probably gonna do is set up, just put my bed sheets and stuff on, my comforter and stuff on, so we can go to sleep for the night. And I'm probably just gonna move around my clothes. That's probably what I'm gonna do today. But I'm supposed to cook breakfast, so I don't know if I wanna separate the seasonings and everything, but we will see. I don't know. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in part 2 of my moving vlog. Thank you for watching.